hell is that? Good morning. Good morning, good morning to ya. Ah, top of the morning. Robbie, going up into the smoke. Whoa, that's pretty smoky right there. Wow, look at these bottles. I know. Throwback to Robbie jumping off of these. Oh. Smells like that was weed.
I think it's these things, Tanner.
You sure?
I think it's these.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I think someone might just be smoking weed up there.
Woo! God damn it, where's the mountains? Number one.
Peak one of like 6.
Hey. Man, a little flashback. Boom. Woohoo! And we're back. All right, so a little update. We came upon that ridge right there and went over and saw that right down there we got some sort of little forest fire burn of the highlight drainage, and we're on the backside, and there's definitely some smoke, and probably like whenever the lightning storm came through, probably hit a tree, and it's definitely smoking up here.
Perfect. Well, we will get someone heading that way. Thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you.
Oh, it's kind
wait.
of like,
Dude,
huh? No way did we just time that shit.
wow.
Do you think they'd contacted them?
Probably. Wow, that was quick timing. There's the helicopter right there.
We reported the fire and the chopper's already here.
Wow, look at that. Government agencies are not usually that fast, but look at that. Hell yeah.
I think that guy's filming it too. You can see he's like sticking his hands out.
Wow, that's sick. Dang. Alright, well that's a full-on little fire right there. Alright, a little update is the, let's see, or can you see it?
The chopper has landed.
That's with me. I can't stop taking pictures and videos of this helicopter. Yep. Alright, well.
Highlight Peak seems so distant.
But this time it's not about escaping.
Alright, I don't know if you guys can see it, but
We don't feel
big old bighorn sheep right there. Alright, summer number 3? 3 or 4? Alright, update. So a little hiccup is this little guy, we're not sure. There might be some 4th and 5th class scrambling over there, but as you can see, this stuff is like just tossy as heck. And so I think we're gonna try to boogie it down this, dip into the valley, and then gain our way back up to the ridge, and then eventually that's our destination right there. Drop in the backside and head down. So, adventure. Wow.
Taco Money's, man, you've been sneaking in at night.
Yeah, same. You really think that's what I sound like?
Oh, it's totally what you sound like.
That was definitely like a good choice. There's okay. One with you. Ooh, yeah. We're skinner. Cool. Ah. Cool. Ah. Oh, goodbye. See you later. We gotta go after him. Get the jet boil.
Yeah.
How are we gonna cook it?
Jet boil. Piece by piece.
Jet boil goat. Oh, I'm just hiking along. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Hey, what are you guys doing back here? The fire's that way. Don't go that way. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hello ticks, where are you? I'm gonna make sure you are dead. What the hell? We've been bushwhacking all day, and then all of a sudden this trail decides to appear out of nowhere. All right, well, I guess we can go up there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it appears that this grand old adventure that we've been all day on all day today is finally starting to come to an end. We still need to make our way down that way.
It's not close to an end. We still have like 6 miles to go.
But here's the thing, y'all don't want to see that. Like, we did the cool. Now we're just gonna hike on down. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did like it, smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed, do that little subscribe button. With that, we will see you guys next time, and adios.
We don't feel like it.